We have given triangle KLM where P, R and S are the midpoints of the sides. If PR is 4x minus 2 and KM is 3x plus 21, what is PR? So we have given that PRS are the midpoints of the sides. So we can use Midsegment Theorem, which tells us that the segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side and is half as long as that side. So we can write that by the Midsegment Theorem. Because we have given that PRS are the midpoints of the sides. So by the Midsegment Theorem we have that PR is parallel to KM, segment is parallel to KM segment, and from this theorem we have that PR is equal 1/2 of KM. So if PR is given that by expression 4x minus 2 and Km is given by expression 3x plus 21. So we will use this equation. We will substitute PR by 4x minus 2 and Km by 3x plus 21. And let's see what we will have. We have PR is 4x minus 2 is equal, we have 1/2, we have to copy, and in parentheses we will put that Km is 3x plus 21. We have equation and we have one unknown x, so now we have to solve this equation. First, because we have 1/2 on the right side and we have multiplication, so I will multiply both sides by 2 to reduce. We have to multiply for whole expression on the left side and on the right side by 2 to reduce this fraction. So 2 and 2 we will reduce, and we can multiply 4x minus 2 by 2. So it will be 8x minus 4 is equal, and now on the right side we have 3x plus 21. We have one unknown. I will move this unknown to the left side. So 3x, I have to move to the left side. So we have 8x minus 3x, because 3x was positive. So when I move to the left side, now we have negative. This is equal, and 21 stay on the same side, and I will move negative 4 to the right side. So now will be plus 4. 8x minus 3x is 5x is equal. 21 plus 4 is 25. We have multiplication, so I will divide now both sides by 5. And 5 and 5 we can reduce. We have that x is equal. 25 divided by 5 is 5. If we have x, now we can calculate PR. PR is given by expression 4x minus 2. So this is equal. I will substitute x now by 5. So 4 we have to copy, times 5 minus 2. We don't need this parenthesis. So this is equal. 4 times 5 is 20. Minus 2 is equal 18. So this is my solution. We found PR.